Halo Sobat Juara, perkenalkan saya Retno Handayani, NPM 2341157, kelas manajemen 23B.
Electronic filling. So the first step that must be taken is to create an agenda book table for incoming letters in Microsoft Excel as in the video below. After creating the table, next we will fill in the table. First, we fill in the number and then the date of the letter. Next, fill in the letter number, sender and subject of the letter. The data entered, such as the letter number, is obtained from the letter. Then next enter who the letter is addressed to and also enter the letter archive code. The archive code can be obtained from the archive classification pattern that has been provided. To fill in the archive link, the first step we have to do is go to the letter drive that we have created. Next, look for the archive code that matches the letter we are looking for. After finding the archive code we are looking for, then right-click on the laptop or computer. Then select Share, then select Copy Link, make sure the link is not private. After the link is copied, go back to Microsoft Excel and paste it in the archive link column. Next, to fill in numbers 2 to 5, do the same steps as step number 1. And this is the result of the agenda book that everyone has entered. Next, for the agenda book for outgoing letters, the method for filling in is the same as for incoming letters. The difference is that the outgoing letter agenda book does not include the date of receipt of the letter. And there is also a column for relationships with other letters. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. See you, bye.